air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, or you have those in you're very guarded because you could be doing the naughty with another person. That's why. Let me see here. Why are they leaving? Why is the 8 of Cups here? Damn. If you guys are doing the naughty with the Queen of Swords in reverse, you guys are screwed. You don't mess around. You don't play around with someone who's Queen of Swords in the reverse. That's freaking some pretty ruthless freaking energy right there. That'll cut your ass off quick. Here we are, the Chariot. Yeah, somebody's moving away. Somebody's traveling to go see somebody. Somebody's leaving with the Chariot card coming out. What else? And the 4 Wands, because you guys think it's going to be more stable. You're going to have fun. It's going to be all woohoo. But it's not going to work out. Let me see here, Virgo. Man, you guys got me all riled up now. First, I was all sentimental. Yeah. All sentimental, probably for your person's energy. And then Knight of Swords. Why is Knight of Swords in reverse? Bad communication, no communication. That's freaking abandonment, man. That's me up and splitting. Why are they doing this? The Moon. Because you got secrets you don't want to get found out. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit emotional, Virgo. But this just, it irks me. If it's done to you or if you're doing it, it don't matter. Yeah. Got another lover. Got another lover. God damn it, Virgo. If y'all want to be in a relationship, be in a relationship. If you don't want to be in a relationship, you want to date everybody. But don't freaking fool people. Don't play with people. Don't play with people's lives. It's just not fair. It's not good. It's not right. Okay? Now I'm a little bit irritated. I don't know why I'm getting all freaking super emotionally attached to this reading, but I am. We got Pisces. You could be running off to be with a Pisces, a Libra, a Gemini. We got Cancers here, for crying out loud. We got Scorpio here. We got some Aquarius action here. We got, on your person's energy, we got Sagittarius. We got Scorpio, Sagittario, Gemini. Some Gemini, Sagittarius, Scorpio. Let me see here. Those are the energies I got, my love. This is what I got for your reading that you guys are going to just up and bounce. Alright, you guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, please. And I'll see you guys in September.